Alright guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Torremolinos. And yeah, I'm going to take a little walk down the promenade. If you've watched this in sequence, you'll know I've just stopped that last video down there and we're on to the next one. So let's keep going. So yeah, it's around about coming up for 4. Oh no, it actually says it's 4:15. So I had to walk out the house. I left the house at 4. It's 17 degrees. Ooh, got the old air hot. Let me know if you ever go in there. What do you buy? It's all tap. You can just go on eBay and buy everything, or you can go Alibaba. If you go AliExpress, you can get it all like the same price they buy it for. You know, so you don't get ripped off. Takes obviously AliExpress doesn't take too long to deliver, but if you get it from Alibaba, that can take a little while to come in. I never really ordered anything from there because it's all just tat. Let me know, like one guy I met, I don't know where was I? We was in Marmaris, and this gentleman told me that he'd got these glasses from Alibaba, and they looked cool. They looked, he told me it's 4K, they recorded, everything like that. But oh, look at this massive glasses shop. But yeah, he paid like something like tenner for these 4K, but he didn't know how to make them work. They had a little slot there for a memory card, everything, but he couldn't use them. He had no idea. It's quite funny, like you're gonna buy something and not know how to use it. It's hilarious. Let's check out some prices as we're going down, so we can entitle this prices. What's the price on there? It's not too bad. So Dorada, €20 nearly, 19.50. We're going to go down the side street on the way back. But yeah, check out the old view. So yeah, it's definitely not summer weather at the moment. 17 degrees. It's when it says 17 degrees in this country, it's not like England 17 degrees. So it can be 23 in England, and I can't feel the warmth. And I've got mates who'll be out there, tops off, sunbathing, shorts on, telling me it's bloody like summer. It's hotter than Benidorm. It bloody isn't. In your mind, not in reality. It's nowhere near there. So yeah, the old boys here. Big trip here. But yeah. So yeah. A lot of people getting ready to go home. I'm getting ready to go to Valencia tomorrow. So you're gonna have some brand new destinations on the channel. I've been to Valencia once. I walked down the old promenade. What you got, mate? Oi. Hello, boys. Oi. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh. So yeah, Valencia tomorrow. I've got a 7 a.m. flight. I think we land around 8:10, something like that. So it's going to be morning time. Don't know what's going to be about. Yeah, it's Valencia, it's a city, so I'm just going to go down the beach, record a bit around the beach, and then I'll head down to Benidorm. But I'm going to relax. First day I'm just going to relax. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to get my old phone out and upload a load of videos to you. So I need to clear off my memory on here. I've got a ton of videos on here. And got no space left. Well, it says I've got 80 gigabyte, which is enough. Each video is around about 5 gigabyte, 5 to 7, so it's not too bad. I'll get the next couple of days out of the way. And then yeah. But yeah, Costa del Sol was really, really good. Like towards, if you're going anywhere between Torremolinos and Figueroa, you've got a train. It takes you all the way to Figueroa or anywhere within minutes. You're talking to take me 30 minutes, 28, 30 minutes to get from. Well, today was even quicker coming backwards, but yeah, from the airport to where I was staying in Figueroa, I think it was like 30 minutes, something like that. Wasn't too bad. Not bad at all. And then I had to get a coach from. It's not a coach bus, but I got a coach to Marbella, Old Town, and that was it's cheap, but it was rammed. Like I had to quickly there's so many people trying to get on the same coach. They couldn't fit everybody on, but they started letting people on with tickets at the back door, so I quickly ran around there and got on nice and quickly. But yeah, you have to be pushy over it if you want to get anywhere. You want to get stuff done, you've got to push your way in, barge your way in. There's no point being nice and polite and letting people go before you, because you just won't get on. You won't get on the bus. So I remember this place before, but yeah. But I haven't been down there for 2 years, so. But yeah, that bus ride cost me like €2.60, something like that. €2.70, it's not too bad. And doesn't take long at all. But I did on the way there. I was sure did on the way there, because I was so busy and it was stopping all the time. It took over an hour, I think, or just about an hour. But on the way back, I was so fast in Figueroa. I couldn't believe it. I checked my phone. They said we was in Figueroa. I saw the signs outside, but the bus didn't actually go down to where I got on it the very first time. So I was a bit like, oh. I asked someone next to me, it's Figueroa. They said, yeah. And I was like, well, let me get off this bus. I got off it and then had to walk maybe like 13 minutes, I think it said, down to the train station to come back here. But yeah, I didn't think there was a direct bus all the way here, else I would have got on it. So I had to get a bus and a train. That's what the Google Maps said, which is fine with me. I don't mind having to do all that. So yeah, when you come to Torremolinos, where do you stay? What do you do? Got the sunset in here. Oh, it's got a menu. It's got a menu out here. Let's have a quick look at the menu. Fish burger, €11. Sirloin steak, 19. We get closer for you guys. There you go. So toasty, $6.50. Is that expensive? I told you earlier on I got a bottle of wine, 3 pastries, and they were like filling. I've left one at home. There's like a tuna thing they have here. It's lovely. I love it. Tuna and some sort of tomato stuff. Absolutely lovely. Like I said, bottle of cava, that, 2 coffee drinks, and it cost me like €9. I mean, yeah. If you like eating out, all good, I guess. Oh, we just went past one there, Zorro. I'm not going backwards. It's nice when people want to play up to the camera. I prefer that than the angry. So yeah, we're going to do. I'm not going all the way down there, so I'm going to end it just here, and then we're going to head backwards on the inside. So make sure you lock onto the next video. Wow, look at that water, it's come all the way up. Let's go down there and end the video down there. So look at that water. It's come all the way up. Look at them waves. They just leave you to have a quick look. Let's go this way first. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, please, because 90 to 95% of you guys who watch our videos are not subscribed, which I'm just really thankful that you watch the video, to be fair. But if you could subscribe, because it would help us really millions and millions and millions, that'd be great. And hype up the videos, and I'll catch you on the very next one.